Once there was a very poor matchstick girl who lived by selling matches every day. Despite her difficult situation, she never lost hope. On a cold winter day, she ventured out in her old shoes, which sadly did not protect her small feet from the cold. Sitting by a busy street shivering, she hoped that people would buy her matches. However, no one seemed interested and she was unable to sell any. As evening fell and the streets darkened, she noticed a house with warm lights shining through a window. She watched a family inside eating and laughing together, which made her feel even more hungry and cold. Eventually, she started lighting the matches she could not sell, seeking warmth. Each lit match briefly helped her forget the cold and she marveled at the beauty of the flames. As she lit the last match, a magical vision appeared. She was enraptured by the beautiful illusion. She saw a warm stove brightly shining. As she warmed her hands, the cold was forgotten. Next, a table laden with delicious food appeared, bringing a happy smile to her face. Finally, a beautiful decorated Christmas tree emerged and beside it stood her beloved grandmother. This vision filled the matchstick girl with love and warmth, the likes of which she had not felt in a long time. She wished this beautiful moment could last forever. Then, the girl was found collapsed and unconscious by a family walking down the village street. The same family she had seen through the window. Concerned for her, they took her to their home. They provided the matchstick girl with warm cloth and offered her delicious food, the likes of which she had never tasted before. Ensuring her comfort, they arranged for her to sleep in a warm, soft bed, protecting her from the shivering cold. Upon hearing her sad story, the family decided to welcome her warmly as a new member of their family. With them, the girl experienced happiness in her new life. She was no longer alone, learning the value of love and togetherness. No longer cold, hungry, or lonely. She spent each day happily embraced by the love of her new family. The matchstick girl's life was now filled with new joy and hope.